Old tires are frequently considered to be trash materials, but they may actually be used to design stunning and useful garden elements. We'll show you some creative ways to use used tires in your garden in this video, including raised beds, planters, and even a swing. Let's divide this into 3 pieces now. What advantages do used tires have in gardens? How should old tires be prepared for use in your garden? Advice on working safely around used tires? These are the advantages of using tires in the garden. Utilizing old tires in your garden is an excellent strategy to lessen your influence on the environment because they are a waste product. Tires are designed to be durable so they can endure the elements and last for a very long time in your garden. Raised beds, planters, swing sets, and other garden features can all be made out of tires. Old tires are frequently available for free or at a very low cost. The second point, how should old tires be prepared for use in your garden? Clearly wash the tires. To clean off any chemicals, grime, or dirt from the tires, use a mild soap and water solution. After washing, make careful to rinse the tires well. Take away any pointed edges. Any sharp edges on the tires should be removed using a utility knife or wire cutters. Injuries will be reduced as a result. Make drainage holes in the tires' bottoms. This will lessen the chance of water collecting in the tires and resulting in root decay. Before utilizing the tires in your garden, let them thoroughly dry. Safety guidelines for dealing used tires: put on gloves and safety glasses. When working with old tires, it's crucial to use protective gloves and eyewear because they can be sharp and contain dangerous substances. After working with tires, thoroughly wash your hands. This helps in cleaning your skin of any damaging toxins. Work in a room with good ventilation. Working in a space that has good ventilation is essential since old tires can generate dangerous fumes. Take care when lifting large tires. Because they might be hefty, used tires should not be physically lifted. Use a dolly or another mechanical tool to transfer a heavy tire. Tires should be disposed of correctly. When you're done with an old tire, properly dispose of it. Tire burning is not recommended since it can cause the discharge of airborne pollutants. What can you grow in a tire-made planter? What to plant in a planter built from an old tire is the topic of discussion. Yes, a worn-out tire. It turns out that a variety of flowers and vegetables thrive in these rubber rings as houses. What should you plant then? Here are some suggestions. For tire planters, flowers like petunias, geraniums, marigolds, begonias, and impatiens are all excellent options. They all require very little maintenance and come in a range of shades to make your place look more colorful. In addition, you can cultivate vegetables. The following plants grow well in tire planters: lettuce, spinach, tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. Choose a planter that will be big enough to hold the plants when they are mature. If you're using automobile tires, you can increase drainage by adding gravel or rocks to the bottom of the tires. You can paint the tires or incorporate ornamental elements to make your raised bed more aesthetically pleasing. If you live in a cold climate, you might need to cover your raised bed during the winter to keep the elements out. This can be handled by moving it to a protected area or covering it with a tarp. To make a swing out of used tires, first clean the tire well and remove any sharp edges. Choose a site for the swing that is supported by a solid tree branch. Tie a strong rope in 2 locations, one on either side of the tire. The rope should be long enough to hang the swing at a safe height. Tie the other end of the rope to a tree branch and hang the swing from it. Check that the rope is secure and that the swing is level. Here are some safety precautions to take when using an old tire swing. Check that the swing is securely fastened to the tree branch. Keep a watchful eye on children when they use the swing. Do not allow children to use the swing if they are too young or too heavy, and keep it away from any barriers such as fences, trees, or power lines. Inspect the swing on a regular basis for signs of damage or wear. Water your plants on a daily basis to keep the soil moist, but not soggy in a planter built from an old tire. You should also fertilize your plants according to the directions on the fertilizer bottle and deadhead blossoms to encourage fresh growth. It is also critical to weed your planter on a regular basis to keep weeds from competing for water and nutrients with your plants. You may need to repot your plants as they develop into larger containers. Consider utilizing old tires as a creative and cost-effective method to add interest to your landscape.